Actor Mithun Chakraborty, who joined BJP recently, is unlikely to contest the Bengal election. According to sources, Mithun has expressed an unwillingness to contest polls. The actor, however, will extensively campaign for the BJP. Mithun joined the BJP in the presence of Prime Minister Modi at a mega rally on Sunday, belting out a popular dialogue from one of his Bengali movies. While joining the BJP, Mithun said his dream came true by sharing the stage with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The 70-year-old actor, remember, was a Rajya Sabha MP previously for the Trinamool Congress, and that was for 2 years. He resigned from the position in 2016, citing health reasons. Mithun, a brand envoy of the Sharada Group, had returned 1.2 crore rupees contract money to the ED after the Ponzi scam had surfaced. TMC on Friday also released a star-studded candidate list for the 291 assembly seats. Several new faces, actors, sportsmen, ex-IPS officers, writers have been given a chance by the TMC.
আমার নাম মিঠুন চক্রবর্তী, আমি যা বলি তা করে দেখাই। আমি একটা কোবরা, গোখরো আমি।
And let's also get you the exclusive conversation that we had with Mithun Chakraborty moments after he joined the BJP.
It's a big decision, but how did this come about?
First of all, that big day for politics, then, sorry, I have not joined it for politics because I do not understand Rajniti. I believe in Manusha Niti. Manav Niti mein believe karta hu main. And my thinking always goes towards that. I know people are talking pehle extremist ke saath tha, fir Subhasda ke saath. But if you look at the scenario, I've been with Jyoti Basu, I have been with Subhasda because they are for the people. I do not have political ambitions, but for the sake of the people of Bengal, if I have to take a plunge in a bigger way, I'll do it.
You really think Modi ji can make a difference to Bengal?
He's making a difference to the not only India, but if you are really open up, then he has done a lot of difference in the world even, as one of the biggest leaders.
What is going to be your role in the BJP then? Will you fight this election? That's the big question.
Right now, that is from the above, they will tell me, I'll follow that.
You're open to that idea?
Anything they say. And right now, I'm going to campaign for them, as many as them they want me to do.
Many are saying that possibly you can be the prospective chief ministerial candidate. Is there something in your mind?
In my mind, how dare I do? But it is a protocol of the top leaders, and I will not break that protocol. Because we have leaders like Dilip Da, Kailash ji and others, all big leaders. They have made BJP what they are today.
Where is your ideological positioning, your personal?
Now, tell me one thing. Do we not have the same language? Every party talks about the poor people. Whether it is the extremist, communist, whether Trinamool or BJP or anybody. But wherever is the genuine stand, they will win. But ideology is the same, to do something for the poor people. And I follow the same rule.
He says all those BJP leaders are outsiders who are coming.
I do not know. Let them. I see, this is the talk between the two big leaders. And I'm not a leader. So I don't want to get into this and talk this bad. I don't believe in this. किसी के बारे में बुरी बात करता नहीं.
Message to Mamata Banerjee.
Good luck to everyone.
Take this across now to Poulomi Saha, who's joining us live from Kolkata. So Poulomi, what is the thinking behind this move? You know, this is going to be no doubt a setback for the BJP. The BJP would have hoped that Mithun Da is contesting the elections. But why exactly is Mithun Chakraborty hesitating from taking that step?
Well, we're not very sure as to why exactly Mithun Chakraborty is hesitating from taking that step, really. But clearly, he has not been active in politics for a while now, since 2016, when he quit the Rajya Sabha as a member of the Trinamool Congress. And since then, he's been keeping a very low profile. Yes, he has expressed his willingness to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Bharatiya Janata Party formally inducted him into the party as well at a mega rally. But Mithun Chakraborty has already expressed to the party that he is not willing to stand for elections. He will campaign for the party extensively, like he was just telling my colleague Indrajit over there in that conversation as well. He's willing to be used as a star campaigner for the Bharatiya Janata Party as many times wherever they want during this 8-phased election in West Bengal. But at the moment, possibly due to his age and health reasons, Mithun Chakraborty has said that he is unwilling to contest the elections. Now, is that something the BJP will be content with? Will they continue to convince him to play a more active role in the run-up to these assembly elections? That remains to be seen, Akshata.
All right, Polami, thank you for getting us all of those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.